There are three modes in Microsoft Word. While we are on the Home tab and we go to the Editing option, there is the Editing mode where you can make changes to a document, and this is typically what happens if you're creating a new document. Then there is the Reviewing mode, which allows you to suggest changes and add comments to a document, and the system is going to tag those changes. And then the third option is Viewing the document, where you can make no changes. This is Editing. Notice I can add content to it, to the document. Then Reviewing. Anything that I change will be tracked, and it's going to mark it in red and track all the changes. Then in Viewing mode, I cannot make any changes to it. So even though I hit the keys on the keyboard, it does not allow any changes to be made to the document. So this would be the safest way to prevent changes when working on somebody else's file.